Hey guys, it's me Toby with another Pokémon video, and today we just got a letter. And this time it is from TCG Unlimited. And now it's time to open it up and see what Pokemon cards we got. Okay, now that we're in the letter opening section from TCG Unlimited's letter to us, let's open it up and see what we got from them, because honestly, I forgot. Hang on, let me just do that. And, oh, that's actually packaged pretty nicely. I do like that it has that cool sleeve in there. Let's flip it over and oh my goodness. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. In a good way though, in a very good way. I was not expecting this. We've got this card, which is Zekrom VMAX. I can't believe it. I actually can't believe it. We've got a Rotom V Full Art. Oh. We've got a Penglafin Pokemon card, which I think is nicknamed the Batman Pokemon card. We've got Raichu. And actually, that's it. But yeah, that is really cool. I was not expecting such good cards. See you guys in the next video. Bye.